Are you looking for ways to earn money online in Singapore for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I'm often asked here on my YouTube channel about ways to earn in certain countries, and in this video I will focus on Singapore. But if you do not live in Singapore, then do not worry. I have already made videos about many other countries, and I will leave a link to playlist with options in other countries in the top corner here, and I will also keep making videos for other countries. But if you live in Singapore, then in this video I will show you 5 different legit and completely free ways where you can start earning some extra cash online right away. So before I go over the 5 methods I want to show you, I just want to make it clear exactly what you can expect. And the methods I will focus on in this video, they are free earning methods, and they are methods where you can start earning right away, no matter your background. However, that does also mean that it is not something that will help you make a living or become rich online, and that's just important to know. If you are looking for a way to actually create an online business and potentially create a full-time income, then I also have information about that on my website about what that requires, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. But in this video I will focus on easy, fast methods, and that means methods you can sign up for free today and you can start earning today. So with the expectations set, let's now then go over these 5 methods. So the first method I want to talk about is passive income apps, and there are quite a few different methods that are available in Singapore, and one of them is Honeygain, and Honeygain is a platform, an app you can install on your phone or on your computer, and then you will earn just simply by having it installed and sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It will not make you a huge amount of money, but it is super easy. Once you have installed it, you do not have to do anything. And if you join through an invitation link, you will actually get a $5 joining bonus into your account right away. And I have such an invitation link, so if you decide to join Honeygain after watching this video here, then make sure to use that link so you will get that $5 joining bonus. And I will leave a link to that below this video here. But this is just one example of passive income apps. There are actually other similar options, so you can combine them and use several of them to earn more. And I will of course also leave a link to a full list of other passive income apps below this video here. The next great option to earn some extra cash right away in Singapore is to use paid survey sites, because there are actually a lot of really great paid survey sites in Singapore. And this is just one example. This one is called Triapa, and you can see here you can earn up to 7.5 Singapore dollar per survey you complete. And overall you can actually find a lot of paid surveys in Singapore. And I also have a full list of even more opportunities in Singapore on my website. And here there are currently more than 20 great legit free paid service sites you can join and start earning some extra cash right away. And I've of course also leave a link to that below here. So if you think paid service is for you, then make sure to go there and check that out. And that can be a very easy way to earn some extra cash, and you can actually have your opinion heard at the same time. So I definitely recommend paid service if you are looking for ways to earn some extra money online. The next option I want to go over is to get paid to play games. And yes, there are actually quite a lot of platforms that will allow that. And the one I'm showing you here is, again, just an example of it. It is called AppKarma, and this is something you can download on your phone. And once you've downloaded this app here, you can download other games through there and play these games. And every time you play them, you will actually earn into your AppKarma account. And AppKarma also has different bonuses systems, so you can earn more the more active you are. And AppKarma also gives you a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And I have a special VIP invitation link because I have this YouTube channel. So if you decide you want to test out AppKarma, then make sure to join through my link, because then you will get 500 free points right away. And also here I will of course leave a link to more information and where you can find that joining link below this video here. And also there are other platforms that will allow you to earn by playing games, and I will also leave a link to a full list of that. So if you really like playing games on your phone or on your computer, there are plenty of opportunities, so just make sure to check that out. The next option is one that I'm very often asked about here on my YouTube channel, and that is how you can earn by watching videos, because there are a lot of platforms that will allow you to do that. One of the ones that in my opinion are better if you were to earn some money by watching videos is Timebox, because it offers several different video opportunities, and some of them can be done more or less automatically also. Just be aware that watching videos is not something that will make you a lot of money. It takes quite a lot of patience, but as mentioned, in some cases you can just let it run on a screen that you're not actually really watching. So in that sense, it can almost be like earning a little bit extra passively. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and it's definitely not the most effective method here, but it can be entertaining, and it can also be easy as you do not have to really do anything. The last option I want to go over is different data entry tasks, because it can, for example, be to categorize different things or draw boxes or order transcriptions or all kind of different data tasks or data entry tasks. And there are quite a lot of different platforms that will allow you to do that. I have a full list on my website where I also will share links to full reviews of each of them so you can learn more. But many of these offer plenty of tasks. Just be aware that data entry tasks sometimes requires quite a bit of practice to get into, but once you are into it, then it can give some nice extra money. But it requires quite a bit of attention and effort, because if you're not precise, then you will not get paid for the tasks. But all the data entry platforms that are legit are also free, so it can be a free way to start to earn a little bit extra. So as you can see, there are plenty of free ways to earn some extra money online in Singapore. And the best way, in my opinion, is to combine the different methods. Choose the ones that you think sounds most appealing to you. If you like taking surveys, then make sure to join several of those sites. And if you at the same time want to do some data entry tasks, then join a few of those platforms. And then you can also install one or two of these passive income apps and just let them run in the background at the same time. So by combining the different options, then that will increase your earning opportunity, of course. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have experiences with any of these earning methods, or if you know any other great free earning methods in Singapore, then I would love to hear from you in a comment below here. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.